Hello Bayview Christian School family. I wanted to shoot this video today to explain to you some important information about our Christian school. First, let me say we are opening this school year on time. In fact, the first day of school will be Monday, August the 31st. That is 1 week earlier than usual. We do start usually the day after Labor Day. However, this year we felt it was a good idea for us to start 1 week sooner so we can take some time to evaluate the current academic situation of our students. You might ask the question, well, what about the coronavirus? Well, that is a very good and serious question. We are taking every step possible to ensure that our students have a safe and healthy environment to thrive in academically. I'd like to take a few moments to explain to you some things we are doing because of the COVID-19 pandemic. When your child arrives at our school, we'll take their temperature and then we'll record it in our records. When your child leaves the school, their temperature will also be taken and documented. We will encourage social distancing as much as possible. For example, there will be no large assemblies where students will be sitting close to each other. Lunch times are going to be modified so that we don't have so many students in the cafeteria at one time. We are not requiring our students to wear masks here at Bayview. Our teachers, though, will wear face shields. Every evening, the classrooms and the property will be thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. For more information on our COVID-19 policy, click the link below to read our official document. Now, some changes are being made here because of COVID. One change that is being made is our parent-teacher orientation that takes place the week before school begins. This meeting will be done virtual this year. The reason why we're having a virtual meeting this year is because we don't have enough space in our current church auditorium to seat every parent and student in the auditorium and also to practice social distancing. So on August 25th, that'll be the day of our parent-teacher orientation when that video will be released. You will be responsible for watching that video. On August the 27th and the 28th, that's the Thursday and Friday of that week, you can set up a time to come in and see your child's class, meet your child's teacher, and drop off any school supplies that you might need to drop off. A link to schedule a meeting with your teacher can be found below. So just scan below and set up a meeting with the teacher. As you scroll down, you'll find that there are several items below that you would normally fill out, or forms that you'd fill out during our parent-teacher orientation meeting. There are links to teacher information cards. So please take time to fill out one of those forms for each child that you have enrolled here at Bayview. There's also the school calendar that's below. So you could download that and you could print that out. There are also sign-up sheets for piano lessons to enroll in our sports program, and also information on how you can purchase Bayview Christian School apparel. One last thing I want to mention in this video is to inform you to be on the lookout for a financial agreement letter that's being mailed to you. This is something new we're doing this year. And on this form is our tuition payment policy, and it also shows you the schedule of your tuition payments. If you have any questions about that form, please contact the office as soon as possible and ask to speak to Miss Samantha Reckamel. If you don't have any questions, please sign that sheet and return it to the office. We will need it here by the first day of school. Also, speaking of finances, after August 1st, your child's book fee will be increased by $25. So pay that book fee by the 1st, please. And if your child's book fee is not paid when school begins, they will not receive their books. By the way, if you are one of those parents that pay the entire school year, by August 1st, you can save 5% on your car insurance. Off your tuition. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. We can't wait to see your child back in school on August the 31st. God bless you and be safe.